Hello everyone, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year BTech AIML. So guys, we are here to do the 30 days of Google Cloud program का first track, that is Cloud Engineering track का last skill batch, that is sixth वाला deploy to Kubernetes in Google Cloud का second lab. So guys, let's get redirected towards our lab. So guys, as you can see, we are here in our lab, and we are in our quest, and guys, we have solved our first lab. And guys, these three labs are already solved because we have solved these three labs in our earlier quest. So here we no need to solve again. In your profile in your quest also it will be shown a tick mark because we have solved those in earlier labs. So no need to solve it again. So this will be our second lab named continuous delivery with Jenkins in Kubernetes engine. So we will click on this and get started our lab. And guys, this is very important, so be cautious over here. So first of all, I will start with my lab. So by clicking here, I will start with my lab. Okay guys. Okay guys, we are to open our console. Username, I will simply use another account and I will simply paste it over here guys. I will copy the password and I will paste, and now all the basic Google formalities are gonna open over here. Okay guys, we are here. As you can see, we are in our console and some of the Google terms and agreements are gonna come, which we have to agree and start with it. Okay guys, we need to agree all the terms and conditions. Okay, let's start with it. And now what are the setups? Okay guys, let's see the setups over here. Okay, first of all I will start my Cloud Shell. Okay, so let's authorize our project from here. And guys, do as it is. What am I doing? So no need to be putting some errors over here. And let's start with our first cloning the repository in which we have to work. I will simply paste it over here and then clone the lab sample code. Enter. Now change the correct directory. Okay, we are in the correct directory now. Provisioning Jenkins. For that we have to create a cluster. Guys, again it may take several minutes to complete it. And guys, we are up to here, and this may take some minutes to create a cluster in Jenkins. Jenkins is basically a pipeline which work in the backend. And guys, if you have any of the suggestions, you can comment me in the comment box. And from tomorrow itself, we are gonna start our track 2, guys. So in next 6 days, we are gonna complete our track 2, and hooray, we are gonna complete the 30 days of Google Cloud program within the 12 days successfully. And guys, please do share my video everywhere. And guys, as you can see, this cluster is being created over here. It may take some time guys, let's wait for it. guys, we need to wait for some more time as this cluster is creating over here. Okay guys, let's wait for some more time. Till then, see what we have to do. Okay, we are gonna complete our first task, so let's check on it. I think it's completed. Now we have to container cloud list. Let's see by this command, and this is gonna complete within some minutes, or guys हो जाएगा बस. Okay, let's see how many tasks over here. Okay, more 3 tasks to go. Again, copy this, and let's wait for it to complete. Okay guys, we are completed with this cluster. Now copy this command and paste over here, which name is okay. Now this one we have to get into this directory by pasting it over here, and now press enter. Now we'll see the cluster info. Okay guys, now press enter. Now we have to again get into Helm, so for that we have to put this command and simply paste it here and enter, and ensure the repo is up to date. Okay, and we need to ensure that everything is up to date. Okay, it's up to date. Now we have to configure and install Jenkins. When installing Jenkins, a value file can be used as a template to provide values that are necessary for setups. Okay, now download the custom value files from here with this command. Okay, now install the Helm CLI. Okay guys, enter. It's installing the Helm Jenkins. Okay guys, let's wait for some time and it will be completed. This task also, I think it should be completed. Okay, fail to access. Okay, let's wait for some time. Okay, let's wait for some more time guys. It's gonna be install the Helm CLI Jenkins, and it will also get into this directory.yml, and here it is written that we need to wait for some time, and we can't do anything. We need to wait. And guys, do please share my video everywhere where you can, because it's like helping others is the best thing. दूसरों की मदद हो जाए उससे best. Do things for others. Doing things for others should always our motive, right? So I always do that only. So it's like we have completed this task, configuring the Jenkins. Now connecting to the Jenkins. So let's see it's in the running state or not by kubectl1 get pods command. Okay, entering here. Okay guys, yeah, it's running. We can see it's running. So after that, configure the Jenkins service able. So okay, I will paste this command and enter. Okay, I have got this deploy created, as you can compare from there. So guys, we are done with this command. Now check that Jenkins service was created properly or not. Okay, guys, we can see external. Okay, it's all created. Done. Now let's connect to Jenkins, our third task. Okay, I will simply copy this command and I will simply paste this command over here. And okay, guys, we got this. And after that, we have to see the web preview. So for that, I will click over here and we want port 8080. It's like a local host. As we need to wait some time and we are sign in when Jenkins will come. Okay, guys, you should now be able to log in with username admin and your auto generated password. Okay, our username will be admin, guys, and our password is auto generated, they said. So I think this is the password which is generated. So simply I will now, so what I will do, I will simply copy it from here till R and I will paste it over here and I will click me sign in, don't save. Okay, wait. Okay, I had signed in over here, guys. As you can see, our dashboard for Jenkins has appeared over here. And after that, what we need to do, you now have Jenkins set up in Kubernetes cluster. Jenkins will drive your automated CI/CD pipelines in the next section. Understanding the application is the most important. So let's get understand. You will deploy the sample application GCEME in your continuous deployment pipeline. The application written in the Go language and is located in the repos sample app directory where you run the GCME binary on a compute engine instance. The app displays the instance's metadata in an info card. So guys, we are here. The application mimics a microservice by supporting two operation modes. In backend mode, GCME listens on port 8080 and returns compute engine instance metadata in JSON format. In front-end mode, GCME queries the backend GCME service and renders the resulting JSON in the user interface. Okay, guys. So let's get into deploying the application in the cloud cell. Where first we have to get into this directory, which is sample app. Okay, I will paste it here, and I see, guys, my directory changed, and I am in the sample app also. Create the Kubernetes namespace to logically isolate the deployment. Okay, guys, we will create it over here. Enter. Okay, done with this also. Okay, now we will copy these commands and simply paste it over here. Enter. Now, okay, now I will this one canary. Okay, now enter, and now this one services. Okay, now I'll press on enter. Done with this also, guys, and I think our third task is also completed. We're done with this. Okay, guys, we are done with this. By default, only one replica. Okay, so set up production environment. So let's set up the production environment over here. Pressing enter. Now copying this command and paste it here. Now enter. Now this command I will simply paste it over here and press enter. Now this command I will simply again paste it over and press enter. And guys, you can see we have got the cluster IP and external IP from here. Okay, guys, paste external IP into our address to see the info card display on a card. Okay. Okay, guys, we can see this info card accordingly over there, and now we will go next. Now store the fundamental service load balancer in environment variable for use. Okay, I will copy this and I will paste it all over here and I will press enter. I have stored it. Now confirm that both the services. Okay, I will simply do this and I will simply paste it over here and press enter. Okay guys, we are done with this also. Now next, main part, creating the Jenkins pipeline. So we will copy this and it will create a Jenkins pipeline. Okay, you can ignore the warning, you will not be built for this repository. Okay guys, yeah, I think our last task is over, completed over here, and let's check it if it is completed or not, creating a repository. And guys, from here we have completed our this lab also very much successfully. And guys, where you can see that we had finished our quest, and I think we have completed our third lab also guys. Yes, we have completed our third lab. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And guys, please do share my video everywhere. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much, really. Now I should end this lab. And guys, if there is any suggestion for me, do suggest in my comment box. And if you want to message something else, you can, I have provided my LinkedIn ID, you can message me over there. And guys, do share my video. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much. That's